Assalamu alaikum. So in this video, we'll learn how to get this issue solved. Geocoding failed request denied. So I'm using Google Map API in one of my project in PHP. So this error indicates that we don't have proper permissions in the Google Map API, or either geo encoding is not enabled in the cloud. So let's go to the project. So in the project, you have to go to the Google API. APIs and libraries, and here you have to find Google encoding API. Open the geo encoding API, and you have to enable this. So our geo encoding API is enabled. Let's try to refresh this again. So you can see it's working fine now. So good luck guys. If you're in curious creation, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel and like the video.